Okay, so this one's a bit of an optional extra, but if you want to create a nice attention-grabbing graphic for the start of your video with a little bit of dynamic text, then we can do that really quickly using Adobe Express. Now, Adobe Express isn't an app that you have to download or anything, it's just a website. You can just go to express.adobe.com and log in with your CRT details. Now, I've also got a whole bunch of templates that I've already developed that you can remix for your own purposes. So I'm going to start with this one and we're going to remix it. So the huge benefit of Adobe Express is that there's access to a massive library of stock photos. So all I need to do is click on this photo that doesn't have anything to do with what I'm talking about and go to the replace button and I can search for something that is going to work for me. So I'm going to grab this image of coffee here. I can drag it around to the right spot. And now let's change the text here. All I need to do is click on it here. I can change the font if I want, but I'm just going to select it and type in my details. Great. It's currently in this dynamic setting that kind of makes it nice and blocky like that. But if you want it more normal, you can just go to the default setting. So there are lots of different ways that you can adjust it in here, but I'm going to keep it pretty simple for now. I've got this other shape at the background as well. If I wanted to, I could fill that with a more coffee-like color. So I can choose colors here. There's more colors there, but what I'm going to do is use my eyedropper and find a color in the coffee. Beautiful, excellent. And I'm going to keep that. Now, again, I'm going to go back to the text because we do want to make it more dynamic. So I can go down to the animation section here and I can choose a range of ways that it might come into the text, into the image. So let's try drift in. And then once it's in, it can just breathe a little bit and then drift back out. So it's in while it's there. And then I'm going to make it maybe about like a 3-second intro. Then it gives the music a bit of time to jive at the start. Personality, is it going to be energetic, soft or smooth? I want it to be kind of smooth. And I want it to come in from that side. Okay, cool. Let's play it. Here we go. Let's make coffee. Great. Could add anything else in there you wanted to. But look, that's just a nice little dynamic way of starting that. Okay, so let's now download this. I can choose to download it as an MP4 to get the video animation to put at the start of my video. And I can also download a version as a JPEG or PNG to use as just a static slide. Okay, now let's just add our little intro into the video. And I've saved it in here. Here it is. I saved it as cat videos. But let's add it in. Let's put it in where my cursor was. I want to drag it right to the start. And actually, what I want to do is make sure that the music starts there. And you can see it's just adjusting where that auto duck is. Great. And let's have a look. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make... There we go. So it's totally optional, but it's a quick and easy way to make a little intro animated graphic for your video.